Resolving SQL Database Deployment Timeout in Azure SQL Managed Instances. Understanding the deployment timeout issue. Deploying a new SQL database to an Azure SQL Managed Instance can sometimes result in prolonged deployment times leading to timeout errors. The symptom usually involves a message such as, "The operation timed out and automatically rolled back. Please retry the operation." This typically occurs when provisioning through the Azure portal, especially when creating a database inside a managed SQL instance. Common causes: resource constraints or throttling on the managed instance, transient issues in Azure Platform Services, misconfiguration or backend deployment problems. Practical solution: redeploying the managed instance. If you encounter persistent deployment timeouts, remove the existing managed SQL instance server. Redeploy or recreate the SQL managed instance. Attempt the database deployment again. This approach essentially resets the deployment environment and often resolves infrastructure-level hiccups causing the timeout. Additional tips: monitor Azure Service Health to check for ongoing platform issues. Verify your network and subscription limits. Use PowerShell or Azure CLI for deployment attempts, as they sometimes provide better insight into errors. Consider deploying during off-peak hours. Summary: timeout errors during SQL database deployment on Azure SQL Managed Instances are often transient. Removing and redeploying the managed instance can be a quick fix. Always verify Azure status and resource configurations to prevent reoccurrence.